Looking to install new carpeting? Let's find out how much it costs. Hey, it's Chris at Fixr.com. We break down the cost to fix up your home so you don't have to stress. If you're looking to install new flooring that's comfortable and affordable, you should consider installing carpeting. Prices typically range from $650 to around $2,000 for an average size room. But it depends on a variety of factors. Let's get into it. Determining the cost of a new carpet heavily depends on how much space you're trying to cover. So for smaller size rooms, you could likely expect to pay between $700 and $1,800. For medium-sized rooms, prices can range from $1,200 to $4,000. And for larger rooms, costs can range anywhere from $3,500 all the way to $14,000. First, we have the least expensive carpeting option, Olefin. Olefin is made from a synthetic fiber and has a short nap, which resists stains and dries quickly. Costing between 75 cents and $5 per square foot, Olefin is durable and affordable. Next, we have polyester carpeting. Polyester is pleasantly soft and a good sound absorber, and it's available in many different colors, styles, and naps. Polyester is soft and affordable, costing between $1.50 and $6 per square foot. Triexta is similar to polyester, but it's even softer and more durable. Triexta is very stain resistant, holding up well in high traffic areas. Triexta usually costs between $2 and $6 per square foot. Nylon is available in many different colors, styles, and patterns. Costing between $2 and $8 per square foot, nylon is very durable and doesn't fray as easily as other options. Acrylic carpeting is less common than other materials, but it's a more affordable alternative to wool, costing $3 to $7 per square foot. One of the main benefits to acrylic carpeting is its durability and low maintenance. Lastly, we have wool carpeting. In addition to being incredibly soft and dense, wool is also very durable, resistant to crushing and fraying. Though wool can be expensive, costing between $5 and $26 per square foot, it's one of the longest lasting carpeting materials available. Because carpet installation typically consists of removing any current flooring, preparing the subfloor, placing down the padding, and then unrolling, stretching, and stapling it down, installing a new carpet requires a trusted professional. Click the link for quotes from professionals in your area, and be sure to check out our full cost guide for more information, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. See you next time. Watch one of our other videos while I figure this out.